Good chat, Viral. Thank you for dropping by. Appreciate it. Well, we've got market open coming up, so let's just look at prices as they start coming through on the air. What do we have? It's slightly lower, nothing dramatic. 25,450, so about 0.25% down. I mean, this essentially been it. 1 day up and 1 day now down with little follow through. The Nifty bank is blinking red and green, but I think it's red as it settles down. 0.4% lower. 60,915, and we'll look at some of the lenders in just a bit. Mid-cap index is down about 0.25%. The small-cap index will come up, and I think there is a bit of a cut there as well. So 190 points, that's about 1/3% down on the, or actually the broader indices at this stage. Let's just look at the Nifty heat map. Where are the Nifty 50 stocks landing? Right at the word go, and then we will take it from there. We have, 48 odd names which are down. And you've got some tech names which are higher. Infy is responding well to the last night bounce. Tech HCL Tech, TCS, Wipro. Yeah, I mean, it's like no in between for IT names, either top gainers or top losers. This Power Grid, Trent, Aisha, which are some of the other names which are starting in the green. So that's the open. There's about 90-point cut, so in line with what the GIFT Nifty indicated at 8 o'clock. So right there, 25,400 on the index. Prima.
Well, yesterday we did see a rotation away from semis into software stocks in the US. So Salesforce continued with its rally and many others. And that's rubbing off on the Indian IT names. So right on top, Infosys leads with a 2.5% gain. Tech Mahindra, HCL Tech, TCS, Wipro. In fact, in the Nifty pack, only IT stocks are up in the green. And you go down the curve in the IT space, even mid-cap IT companies are participating on the way up. So Emphasis, Coforge, Birla Soft opening up with strength, 2 to 3% higher on many of these names. Well, now you've got a Jio Financial and Trend also in the green, but the gains are negligible. On the way down, auto sales are retreating. M&M, Maruti Suzuki, weak in trade. Remember, on Sunday and Monday, we'll start getting in the auto sales numbers. And the month of February, seems to have been good. The Vahan data suggests very strong retail offtake, but we will know the production numbers. So that's the next macro indicator for the Indian market. And M&M, Maruti are correcting a bit. Reliance has been a bit of a cloud this week. So Reliance Industries is down 1%. It rebounded also yesterday, but down 1% for the day, down 2% for the week so far. Bharti Airtel has been subdued ever since the announcement of their NBFC push. Dr. Reddy's has been weak. Ultratech Cement, JSW Cement, Max Healthcare, Cipla. These are some of the laggards today. But sectorally, if you have to pin it down, it's IT on the way up, and you've got banks which are underperforming to some extent. The frontline indices, the Nifty banking index is down nearly 300 points.
All right, let's run you through a few names then that are moving around. Vishal Mega Mart, because of the large trade that's just taken place on the screen, 14% equity changing hands. That stock's down close to around 7%. Apollo Microsystems, that stock is coming for some profit taking. Volumes are quite large for the first 2 minutes, so that's down close to around 5%. A bit of an overhang with regard to what's going on that new regulation coming in from Bihar government on MFIs. That appears to be weighing on stocks like L&T Finance, Bandhan Bank as well. Yesterday they told us they believe the worst of the MFI pain is behind and things are looking up. So after the kind of rally, I think Bandhan Bank is up 30-35% just in the last 45 days or so. That stock's down a little bit in trade. Renaissance Global, we were pointing this out yesterday. Volumes were massive. Delivery was very minimal. Stock is coming for some profit taking. That one as well is up 35% in this month itself. Tejas Networks. The order win yesterday has given it wings to fly. Yesterday it was up close to around 80-90%. Today it's up another 7%. So big pullback for a stock that actually is a third of what it was at its peak. Balu Forge as well, you had some fundamental positive news that came in yesterday. The stock continues to build on to gains. It's up close to around 20% in this month. But the index to look at today is Tech, and that one's really leading the way. After the kind of selling that we've seen, the Tech index actually is surging away. And I'll tell you what, last couple of trading sessions, the Nifty Bank has seen some kind of buying at around that 60,800 odd mark. The last 3 days, the day's low is around 60,800. We're 150 points away from there. The bulls will be hoping that they get the 4th time lucky as well. So keep an eye out on that index.
All right. Just look at the indices and they'll come up on your screen now. Let's see. This Friday turns out to be by close a little better, or this is a down day, but it's been. It depends on. It's almost like there's no follow through. That's basically the pain point here in either direction. So you could be right one day but wrong the next one, and vice versa.